month. We're halfway through the year. Isn't that weird to think about? We've been 6 months in. Now we got 6 more months to go. Looking back on June, we remember June pretty well, I bet, because it was hot during the middle of it, a lot of 90-degree days. And it was also so dry. It actually, in fact, it was the second warmest June on record for Rochester, Minnesota. Look at this week, the second week of June, 91 degrees, 91 degrees, 92 degrees, 95 degrees, a couple of days in the upper 80s, back in the 90s at some points, 93 degrees, 95 degrees. You get it was a hot month. Actually, it was super hot, so it was way above normal. As we enter into the new month, is it going to be above average or below average? It's looking like it's going to be above average, especially as we start this weekend, as we work into this weekend. But real quick, we got to start with our current conditions. And this morning, it was pretty cool because as the sun rose, does this look different? Yeah, it's purple. Look at that. Look how purple that is. Why is it purple? Well, there's actually some wildfire smoke up from really a wildfire north of Winnipeg, Canada, Manitoba right there. That's been making its way down to us. What you see right here is that smoke through Friday afternoon. So if you didn't catch the purple this morning, the sunset tonight, maybe you can catch it. The sunrise tomorrow, maybe you'll have another opportunity. We saw it early this morning, and it honestly was purple. It was pretty cool. So now let's get into the weather. When you step out the door this morning, the purple's kind of gone, but the temperatures, the humidity, still there. 62 degrees, dew point a little bit lower than the past several days at 58, and it'll get drier into tomorrow before that humidity makes a return for really the weekend and early next week. So temperatures right now across the area, low 60s, winds not a concern at all, and the skies are clear across the area for now. By the time we make it towards around lunchtime, just like the past several days, we start to see some small puffy clouds, cumulus clouds, puffing up across the area. And some of those this afternoon, as we reach 84, 85 degrees, could turn into brief rain showers or thunderstorms. Most of us will not see these showers. It's just like the past several days. There's still going to be that chance that you are the lucky or unlucky one. But most of us, are not going to see rain today, but some of us might see a brief rain shower or storm. Just know that it's about a 10% chance that you see it. Overnight tonight, we drop it to the mid-60s again, and we rise again, rinse and repeat for Friday, mostly sunny, mid-80s again. And then into the weekend, we're getting sunny and hot. So if you're jumping into the pool today, here's the forecast. 84 degrees with that high temperature, and there's a small chance that you see that rain shower. And then as we work into the weekend, things are really heating up. So what you're seeing is the dew point, right? We talk a lot about the dew point here. You get that above 60, it starts to feel humid. By Saturday, it's feeling humid. By Sunday, when it's 92 degrees, it's 64. By Monday, 68 degrees, it's very humid. 92 degrees, again, it is feeling hot. That's the heat wave out in the Pacific Northwest, which was just shattering records. It is starting to move away from the Pacific Northwest, and as it does so, it's losing its oomph, it's losing its kick. It's not going to be as strong, but it's still going to bring us temps in the low 90s for the 4th of July. But then after that, what happens after that? Are we talking about rain chances? We're going to have the jet stream flattening out, and then we're going to have these little disturbances, little kinks in the jet stream starting to stream through the rest of the area, our area in the upper Midwest, through next week, which thankfully is going to give us a return of rain chances. I think this forecast is really working out, guys. We got a decent amount of rain this past week. We get a new drought report out at 8 a.m., so about 2 hours from now. Then clear for the 4th of July weekend, nice summer-like temperatures. We're back to some smaller, maybe decent chances for rain next week. All in all, I think it's a good forecast. That's my opinion.
Could not ask for better 4th of July weather.
No, you really couldn't.
All right, thank you, Sean. We'll still had former President